Everybody wants to have that really tight, nice looking arm skin. Nobody likes the flab. So if you're starting to see that or you have it already, man, is this video for you. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to get tighter arm skin specifically. Now, as we get older, our bones tend to shrink, unfortunately, and we lose some of the ability to produce collagen, not to mention we use our arms a lot. So we're always stretching these muscles and the skin surrounding them. And what happens as we get older, for a lot of folks, especially if they've had a lot of weight gain or weight loss in a hurry, is this skin gets very loose on the arms. And a lot of folks don't like it, and I get it because I myself am 59, just 5, maybe 6 months away from being 60, and I don't have that on either arm. Now, not bragging, but there are some reasons why I don't. And it is one of those things that helps me defy what people expect a person to look like at my age. So today I'm going to give you some simple exercises and stretches that help tone those muscles, build them back up under the skin, helping you stretch that skin back out where it looks a lot tighter. Very simple to do. Now, if you're new to my channel and not familiar with who I am, I'm Chris Gibson, a skincare expert. I've been doing skincare for 36 years, but on this channel, we also talk about things besides skincare products because products can't do it all. So I talk sometimes about longevity, and I certainly talk about fitness. And so if that's the kind of content you've been looking for here on YouTube, I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. All right, so in any sudden physical activity, especially activities that you've not done before, it's very important to warm yourself up. You can do that by walking quickly around a room for about 20 seconds, or more oftentimes, it's easier to just stretch. So for these exercises we're doing today to tighten the arm skin, I'm going to start with the stretching first, because again, it's good to get that blood flowing and those muscles warmed up before you do any sort of exercise. So this is a very simple yoga pose. You guys that follow me on the channel know I'm big into face yoga and body yoga. So we're going to do these wing stretches first. Again, very simple. All right, so you lift your arms and stretch them out straight, and you're going to turn one palm down, one palm up, and stretch, and hold that for a count of 3. And then we're going to twist around the other way, put the other palm down and the other palm up, and stretch and hold for 3. And then we're going to do it again, 1, 2, and 3. And then we're going to do it again, 1, 2, and 3. Now you're going to feel those muscles worked under the skin, the biceps, triceps, all the way down to your wrist on each arm. It's going to help work those muscles horizontally and tighten them up. You'll feel an instant tightness in your muscles, so you kind of want to loosen that up before we go on to the next exercise. This next set of stretching exercises works the very back of the arm, and this area in particular that gets a lot of flabbiness as we get older. This exercise is especially good if you've lost a lot of weight quickly and you have a lot of loose skin. It will help tighten that area up and work these muscles from the back of the shoulder all the way down to the elbow. We're going to use both arms, but I'm going to turn slightly to the side so you can see how this looks from that angle. So we're going to put arms down straight by our hips, and then we're going to move them back as far as we can till you feel that pull in the back of the arm and the back of the shoulder. You're going to count to 3. You're going to relax and put them forward again. Now, if you feel a little bit of stiffness or pulling afterwards, you can simply just shake your arms a little bit, let them loosen up, and then we're going to do this again. Arms to the sides, relaxed, and then back as far as you can take them, and hold for a count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and relax. And then we're going to do one more. You're going to relax, shake those arms, loosen them up, and then again back. Just as far as you can take them where you feel the muscles tighten. 1, 2, 3, and relax. Now we're going to move on to light weights. Now, if you've never lifted any sort of weights before, it's good to start very low, like with a 2 or a 2.5 weight. The best weight to use for both men and women tend to be between 10 pounds and 20 pounds of weight. We don't want more than that because we're just trying to tone the muscles to help tighten the skin. We're not turning into bodybuilders in this video anyway. So I have my weights here. You can see these are 10-pound weights, and we're going to do what's called hug the tree. So that's bringing the weights up just outside the shoulders, like you're going to hug a tree, and reaching around and putting them together 1, 2, 3, and then back and relax. And then again, 1, 2, 3, and then back and relax. And then again, 1, 2, 3, and then back and relax. So if you complete that set of exercises, you want to wait 2 to 5 minutes to let your arms relax, let your muscles relax and recuperate. And because it's so hot in this room with these lights and I'm exercising, I'm sweaty, so I'm going to get my headband and I'll be right back. All right, now I'm back with the headband. I'll keep the sweat out of my eyes, so you may want to invest in one of those if you're going to do these exercises. Of course, I do look a little bit like a backup singer for Let's Get Physical, but anyway, that's okay. That's the 80s. I was around then. This next exercise set is going to be one most everyone is familiar with, and it's simply a bicep curl. So you're going to take the weights, you're going to put them forward to about hip level, and you're just going to curl them up slowly. 1, 2, 3. Then relax your arms back down, hip level, back up to the shoulders. 1, 2, 3. Back down to the hips. Relax for a count of 2, and then back up to the shoulders. 1, 2, 3, and then you're done. Simple, 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 right? All right, so this next exercise to tone and tighten your arms is called Serve the Platter, and you're going to see why in just a second. And it's going to be exactly the same thing we did before, 3 of these with a count of 3 for each of them. So just like holding a platter, you're going to bring the weights up to chest level, put them together, 1, 2, 3, and drop them down. So we're going to do this again, just like holding the platter, bring the weights up to chest level, put them together, 1, 2, 3, and drop them down to the hips, and then relax. And a third time, here we go again with the platter, put them together, 1, 2, 3, and then drop down to the hips and relax. Now, I will tell you these exercises are very, very simple. I want you to start slowly when you start doing them. Over time, you can build up to 5 and then ideally 8 reps in each of these sets. And if you will do this 2 times a week, it's not something you need to do every single day, because if you do that, you will actually break down muscle rather than build it up, which is what we want to do to help tone and tighten those arms so you can get really tight, great looking arms like I have at any age. Now, obviously, because my channel focuses on skincare, there are some skincare products that you can use to help tighten and tone the skin, the surface of the skin on the arms. While you're doing this, I will be doing a video on this in 2 days. So if you've not subscribed, I highly recommend that you do that so you don't miss that video, because when pairing the right skincare products with the right type of exercises, you can completely change the look of your arms. I really hope you guys found this video interesting and helpful today. If you did, please like it, share it out, comment below, let me know what you think and if it works for you. And for even more ways to tighten and tone the skin on your body, check out this video that's coming up next. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting my channel. I appreciate you so much. Stay beautiful, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you over on that next video.